means they tell you what the value of like
So
the
for the first step, you
No.
set that point.
Talk about for like
I
a
mean, the
person.
derivative of that to zero.
Yeah.
This is
Would it be-
somebody who
would
you
it
want
be-
to review you like a teacher or something.
Yeah, I guess they would come and praise about your work, its quality or
Yeah, like a teacher.
Praise your art would be like checking my car to get a training, they praise.
Okay, let's finish the notes.
Or you get your household, you want to find out how much is work. So, we got to find the critical numbers. Anytime you want to find a critical number or a number where a min or max may occur,
Set the derivative equal to zero.
what would be my derivative?
12x minus 8
Oh shit.
equals 0. 12x equals 8.
So can anybody tell me what x would be?
It's 2/3. 2/3.
Divide by 12. And by reduce, she says that's 2/3.
I thought it was 3/4.
Everybody follow that part? So, then it said once you get to critical numbers, if you get one critical number, you got two intervals. There's always one extra interval, there's always one more interval, and how many numbers you got. So, test intervals. So, 2/3 is where we're either going to have a max or a min, unless it doesn't change and it was done. So we're either going to say at x equals 2/3 we got a max, or at x equals 2/3 we got a min. So I've got to check both sides. So I have to check a value that's less than 2/3, because I'm going to check the left side of that point, and I'm also going to check the right side, which is bigger than 2/3.
That's easy.
We got this part. I'm talking about the graph part.
Wait, I thought it was going to be the other one.
Yeah, it's interval, boy.
We're going to do less than the answer and greater than the answer. We were checking both sides. Because I want to see on the left side, is it going up, and then it's a hit and go down? That's a max. It's going down, then it hits 2/3, goes back up, it was a min. So, remember, we're using the derivative, right? And what number is less than 2/3? I don't care what number you choose as long as it's less than
1/3.
I'm going to use a number that's much easier.
0.
0 would be a nice number, because that's easier to plug in. If I plug it into the derivative, 12x minus 8, if I plug 0 in there, I get?
Negative 8.
I'm saying, bro, you got to make the graph here.
Didn't say anything about graph. Graph in the middle. Later on, they do tell you all this, so you can make a graph out of it.
He's talking about He's talking about those intervals.
As long as it has to be less, anything in the interval, anything less than 2/3 works for this one.
So it could be different answers for each one.
Yeah, you can put negative 100. But all I care about is it being positive. So this ended up being negative, right? That's all I care about. I don't care if it was negative 100. As long as it's negative, it's negative.
Where are you plugging it in?
To the derivative. This is the derivative, right? So now I got to pick a number, any number that's bigger than 2/3. 1. So 1 works for me. So we're going to plug f prime 1.
4.
That's what? You said 4? And that's positive, right? So it says that the derivative goes from negative to positive. Is it a max or a min?
It is a min.
So at x equals 2/3, you got a min. So somewhere down here is 2/3, and it goes like this, right? Now, if you want to know exactly what that point is, you have to plug 2/3 into here and get the actual coordinate of the point. I didn't ask you to do that.
You gotta do that reference.
No.